the worst thing just happened. Why is my life like this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually filming on my phone because my camera for some reason is only filming like 20 seconds. It's quite an old Nikon camera and there's like a 20-minute limit, but for some reason, even though I've cleared my SD card, it's only recording 20 seconds. So I just decided to film on my phone, so please excuse me if my eyes are everywhere. Today I'm just going to do a little get ready with me. Got a different background again today, same one as I did in my last video. The other room we actually have like my fiance's brother staying with us at the moment, so the other room is kind of like he's staying in that room, so I'm not going to be filming that room for him. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start out with this. It is the Natural Collection Hydrating and Radiance Primer. As you'll see by my videos, I hardly ever use primer, but I probably should because my skin gets so dry. So I got this just because it was cheap and it was to get myself in the habit of using a primer before I go buy a more expensive primer, because there's no point if I'm going to go buy one and then not ever use it. So yeah. I'm really going to use the Conceal and Hydrate. Now this is maybe just a little bit too light to dark. You should know by now that I like a brush. But yeah, I'll put this on and then I'll be able to lighten it up with concealer. Anyways, do you know what? I actually forgot a mirror. So I'm kind of doing this lined. But yeah, I'll blend most of it out and then I'll go get a mirror. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. This is so low, I can feel it. I need to get myself another one, because I know for a fact I'm going to run out and I'm going to be really, really sad. So yeah. Let's place that a little bit under there, a little bit up here, especially because I'm trying to lighten out my skin. My foundation is... That's me done with my concealer, and then now I'm just going to set my face. This bit here is really annoying, like this always just sticks up. It needs to be tamed. So I'm going to set it with the Revolution loose powder in Infinite, and just a translucent powder. I'm using quite light. Oh, my primer wasn't Revolution. Oh, good job, away. I have turned this upside down clearly, and look. Okay, I'm going to try and fix this later, but we're just going to need to try and go with it, and to be really, really careful, because that's like half the top. Oh, I'm just going to pat this all over my face. Oh, way too much, way too much. Oh. Then this is in the shade Peach Bliss, and from what I can remember, this is quite a subtle one, but we'll be careful now. So from what I can remember, it's quite subtle. So yeah, just using my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm just going to tap that on the cheeks. I'm just going to use this little stick-on brush, and I'm just going to try and... This is not going well for me. And for my eyes, I'm just going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is obviously this is unfortunately not the vegan formula. I'm just going to get in closer, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus just to put in my eyelids. I mean, I like this concealer. It's quite cute. It's just I just prefer my Shape Tape. So I will use, like, and I like my MAC Pro, is it MAC Pro Longwear? Yeah, I prefer my MAC Pro Longwear and my Shape Tape. So maybe I'm probably just using this for like concealer and stuff, and concealing my eyes and stuff like that, because it's nice, it still feels good on my face, but at the same time I probably won't use it all that much on my face, but I don't want it to go to waste. So yeah, to start with, I'm actually going to take my GHC4 by Morphe, and like just quite a nice like chilled look today. Yeah, I don't want anything too fancy, so I might just start by dipping in with this shade Pearl. And I'm just going to run that right through my crease. So I can't wait till lockdown is over and I can go back and see what gets in my contact lens trials, because I did go in just before lockdown and try, but I couldn't get them in, so I was meant to go back to get them, like try again to be able to put them in, and then lockdown happened. I'm just going to go in with butter. I'm just going to drag that along the top. So I just went in with my darkest colour first, and I like to do that because it gives a real like stick for the colour. Like I just prefer going in with a darker colour first, and a lot of people go in with a nice light transition shade, but I tend to go in with a dark one. So that just shows that makeup is, you can do it if you want, there is no rules. You do you. I'm just going to mocha, because even though that's a little bit of a darker colour, it's not like too sorry. So, it's not too dark, so mocha would probably be a good colour. I'm just going to dab that right and bring that in. That's really pretty. I am loving that look. And now I just need to decide what shimmer I'm going to go for. I'm thinking it Makes, because that Makes is such a pretty colour, like this shade. No, the worst thing just happened. Why is my life like this? I just hit my mirror, like the shadow I was using from my mirror, into the shade Creamsicle. Can you even see what's happened? Today I'm just going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara. Last time I used this, I made such a mess with my face, so let's hope that I don't do it again. And it's just because the brush is so big, so I'm probably actually going to jump off camera and do this. That's me back, got my eyeshadow. This is my final eye look. I think it's super pretty. So yeah, I feel the sun just went like somewhere else, so yeah. But this is the final look. Apart from lips, I almost forget lips. Freedom, one of these lipsticks, and it is in the shade Naked Real. I got this in a pack of like other lipsticks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me, please. It really helps out my channel. And just don't forget to comment below what are some of your favourite products. What are you doing today? How are you coping? That's another thing I'd like to know. How are you coping? So yeah, thanks so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.